Powertrain Fundamentals Test 9 or Driveline Test 9 or whatever you want to call it. It's basically, they changed the name of the courses and all. And a vacuum locking hub. The hub lock body seals to the hub with an O-ring and provides the vacuum diaphragm that will actually actuate the hub lock piston.
True.
That is false. He crashed and burned on that one. In a vacuum locking hub, it takes 11 inches of mercury or greater to disengage the piston. That's false.
Yes.
On vehicles with automatic hubs, the rear axle shaft rotation locks the hub.
True.
That would be the front axle shaft. How is the rear? Why do you have unlocking hubs on the rear? That don't make any sense. Okay, an automatic locking hub will remain in the lock position as long as the wheel continues to turn in the same direction. Is that true?
Yes. True.
Okay, that's exactly right. If you're wanting to disengage the automatic locking hub, you're going to put it in two-wheel drive and back up about the length of the vehicle. It unlocks the hubs, right? The disengaged spring keeps the clutch ring in the idle position when opposed by the engaged spring within the piston assembly. That is false too. You guys didn't know that automatically? You should have already read the handout. When the vehicle is shifted into four-wheel drive and axle shaft rotation occurs, what is actuated? An O-ring, a half shaft, a cam, or a hub?
Cam.
It's a cam. That's right. You go, boy. To unlock the hubs after a driveline windup has occurred, the unlock knob must be turned, vacuum must be applied, the return spring must be compressed, the vehicle must be driven in the opposite direction in two-wheel drive mode for several feet.
All of the above.
I'd say D.
That's all of the above. That would actually be, actually it's supposed to be D, not E on that one.
That's right.
That's what I just told you a minute ago. It's supposed to go back in the opposite direction, two-wheel drive. The piston assembly engages and disengages the hub lock by doing what?
Huh?
Huh? Don't say huh, that's a bad word.
But that's the answer, huh?
No.
Piston assembly engages and disengages the hub lock by.
Controlling the piston spring. Now this handout is available if you have not read it. I've got it on some of the computers around here and I'll point it out to you. If it's not on there, I'll stick it on there. Since we reloaded some of these operating systems that may have been wiped. But anyway, the let's see, number 9. The hub lock body snaps over the end of the hub and creates what?
Vacuum.
The outboard end of the vacuum cavity. That wasn't really a bad answer. And then number 10, the inner spring is blank as long as the hub is locked.
Compressed.
Yeah, compressed. Compressed is a good answer for that. Okay. That didn't take very long. That was the fastest test in history, wasn't it?
Yeah.